To activate two-step verification on your WhatsApp, head straight to your WhatsApp app, open it, go straight to this point where you have these three dots, open it. You have new group, new brokers, linked devices, start messages, settings. Tap on settings. This will come up. Tap on account. This will come up. Security notifications, two-step verification, change number, request account info, delete account, select two-step verification. Then this will come up. Click on this point where you have turn on. This will come up. You have 6 digits to select. You can select any 6 digits you can always remember. For the sake of this video, I'm going to select one all through. You have to confirm your PIN by tapping it again. Let's keep this. Here you can put in your email. Add an email so you can reset your PIN if you forget it. I'm skipping it. The two-step verification has been activated. You click on done.